Okay, today we're reviewing the Hoover Powerdash Pet Carpet Cleaner. This is a sample I got in the mail, so I figured I would go ahead and show you how it looks and unboxing it, and then we're using it. So it's got spinning brushes in the front there, you can see. Heated water, heated solution, and it's pretty lightweight. So the first thing we're going to do is go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so what we have inside here is a congratulations form. Okay, here is a quick start guide, and this looks like some kind of a handle. So we'll take that out here. A bottle of solution, we'll definitely be using that. Let's see what we have down here now. This looks like a solution bottle of some kind. Part of a handle, I'm sure. And here is the unit itself. I'm probably going to have to pause the video here as I get this out with two hands. Here's the main body of the unit. Got that out, took the styrofoam off. So the next step is probably to assemble it. And to do that, we have a quick start guide here. Talks about putting together the handles, the solution bottle, adding solution, and putting the bottle in. So let's go ahead and do that. The handle on was really stupid easy. So just snap together the top handle and the shaft snaps into here. And I put the bottle together, put the little cap on, and then it looks like this just fits back behind there. So I'm going to go ahead and get it set up, and we're going to power through pet messes. Been looking at the unit and playing with it a little bit before we actually use it, and we learned a couple cool things. Tilt it back so I can see the bottom of the brush. So here we have the rotating brush that spins to help clean your floor, and the suction area. So that's pretty cool. This is the water tank. It holds the dirty water. It's super easy to remove. Just push the red button down. Whole thing comes out. And over here on the side is a dump valve to dump out the water. Easy peasy. Inside here is an area where you need to clean. So there's a filter screen down in there that should slide out. And you need to clean that periodically to get any debris out. This is also where you find the recline button for your foot and the power button. So, really easy to put the water container back in again. It slides back in and snaps in place. Now we have the clean water tank. It just pops in. We'll remove this, unscrew it, and fill the bottle up. And you can see on the side there's a mark for you fill it with water from the bottom to the very top. And add a little bit of solution, the cleaning solution. And then tip it over. Put it back in. And we'll be ready to go. So the next step is filling up our solution tank and getting it ready to clean. Okay, we're filling up with some hot water right now. We'll fill it all the way up, and then we'll add our solution just as the instructions say to do. For our solution, I'm going to put maybe a little bit more than we're supposed to, but okay. Now we're ready. I have this cat staying on the floor. It's been there for about a day. I've been saving it. And then we're going to use the device here, and we're going to see how it does. So we're going to start it up. Use the trigger. and it's actually so clean, it's cleaner than the carpet around it. So it's done a nice job of cleaning up the spot and stain. We'll let it dry here, and we'll check again in a few minutes to see how it looks. So here's what we collected. It's really yucky and dirty, so it's got a lot of grime out of it. Go ahead and pour it out. And drain all that yucky water out. Okay, so there you have it. We've had a nice use of the Powerdash. It's really easy to clean. All you have to do is pull this up to get gunk out. You can see there's dirt down there I need to clean out. Easy to clean. It's very light. Couldn't weigh more than about 10 pounds. I highly recommend this device. I've been using Hoover stuff for a long time, and this is by far one of the nicer compact floor cleaners. I also want to recommend to you their solution, Deep Clean Pet Solution. When you buy the Hoover, it comes with an additional starting bottle. I also have acquired a larger one, and I've been using these for a long time, even with my larger Hoover cleaners. And it just works so much better than the other stuff that's out there, and it's not nearly as expensive. So I would recommend all of these items to you. But if you have questions, I hope you'll post them in the comment section, and I'll be sure to respond to them. But this is the Hoover Powerdash Pet, and it's highly recommended.